I'm Rod Stryker. In this course, I lead an exploration of Tantra Yoga, and I lay out some of the core principles of what Tantra is and how it can enhance and how, in fact, it does inform a complete yoga practice. The course is suitable to anyone who has explored yoga and anyone who's heard about Tantra and wants some clarity about where Tantra and yoga converge, what works within the Tantric tradition that is parallel to yoga. So anyone really wanting to deepen their practice, it is suitable for you. And my intention for this exploration is to give you an opportunity to sense the true power of yoga through the prism of Tantra. And in fact, it's really the contributing tradition or science or methodology that begins to lay out all of the way the yogic techniques combine to create a systematic approach to get the most out of practice and life. In addition to 4 different lectures that help to understand the scope of tantric practice as it relates to yoga, I'm also going to lead you into 3 different unique practices. We'll do a meditation that works with some of the active visualization processes. We look at the agni sara methodology, which is a key technique to help activate and access the power behind tantric practice. And then finally, we will do a short asana practice in which we combine mantra and pranayama, which really starts to speak to the synergistic strategy around using all of the modalities of yoga in this exploration of the tantric vision, which is fundamentally how we experience the sacredness of life, bringing that to our practice and that to our vision of ourselves. I look forward to you joining me in this and you to benefit from some of the knowledge that was shared with me by my teachers. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.